Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
It is 2018. Already? 2018?
No,
right?
20, like, just about, no.
Just about, no.
Just, no, from yesterday. From yesterday.
Yeah.
But it depends on who, you know.
It depends because, for example, you have some people, I was talking to some people because I was coming, when I was returning this morning.
Yeah.
And one of my friends was like, oh, you know, there's so many interesting ways in which New Year's can catch you.
Yeah.
If New Year's catch him on a flight.
Yeah.
And New Year's got me on a train heading to the party.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
I was flying in a train to my yard.
Anyway, Happy New Year again, everyone, and welcome to Daytime Live. Duffy, what you say? You're
just chill, it's a chill vibes. Yeah. With some friends who just there and Happy New Year. And they will play back some music.
And then that was it. Yeah, that was it. The whole fuss and stuff. But it was
but you were talking about on a train in a flight. You thought it? Because you still look kind of pale.
Listen, I am never, first of all, my makeup this morning is like, oh, you feel stripping. I was dying in New York. The -7, -8, -10, -20. Like, it was crazy. Like, you know, everybody tell me, say,
hold on, you came from New York this morning?
Yes.
So the things.
We look for. I come for buy nothing. I couldn't go in a snow go buy chocolate. You
could have stopped on wholesale. You could have buy something, brother.
Listen,
just start.
Don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. And remember, Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live. And if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to televisionjamaica.com, then go to My TVJ and click on events. Then you can sign up and get your free tickets. Or if you're lazy like me, just call 926-1100.
And of course, you can catch all back shows via onespotmedia.com. So, hey, time for buzz.
Yeah, man, buzzing.
What's the buzz? All right. Let me start with the biggest mess, the biggest madness I've seen on New Year's Day. Several persons missed their flights out of the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston yesterday, Monday evening, because of lengthy traffic delays along Palisades Street, which leads to the airport. Here's why. It was because of a daylight New Year's party called Sands and other activities which brought in a high volume of people and motor vehicles. A lot of persons were on the street. Several airline passengers, in a desperate attempt to get into the flight, just jump out of them car, grab the luggage, and start walking just to get to the airport on time. This one person said, "I've been in this traffic for 4 hours. And I haven't moved 100 meters. I could have traveled from Kingston to St. Mary 2 times back and forth and still right here. This is madness."
By the way, if you look behind, you see the photo. One of my friends posted this on his story because I never knew what was going on. I see people tweet, and they see one man with a suitcase, right? That's so.
The man tweet on him head.
And I see people tweeting it, I see people on it on Instagram stories. And I say, "Wow, go on." Say, "Oh, you're coming in today?" I say, "Yes, I'm coming in." So the whole of Palisades block off.
You see the issue? Is the issue with that? 1 lane, them just turn it into like 3 lane. So the oncoming lane now have a small up for themselves. It's madness. But Sans, big up yourself, because Sans.
And so like Sans people. We have to go in real time.
Look at this tweet.
Just did my first 5K on the Palisades Strip with my laptop bag, a carry-on, and checked bag in tow. At least I made my flight. Thanks, #Sans roll eyes. And get like 107 retweets.
No, you see that thanks like, thanks, Sans.
Roll eyes.
I know the guys from
Sans. This is ridiculous. I think, you know, it's crazy. I don't know if it's I don't think it's the first time a party
out
there.
No, man.
But my thing is, if you're going to, why are parties even held there? Like, first of all, it is New Year's. No people are coming. No people are leave for go back home. And
I don't agree with that. I think all you have to do is regulate the traffic, because the party itself, where it's kept, it doesn't really affect the road.
And the way you look at
just regulate the traffic and the parking. Just have persons do that. Pay persons to do that.
I have to remember, so we have some unruly people too, you know. So even when regulations are going, people are going to try to sneak them way around and go around. The accident happened at the party that?
No, I think what happened, persons can't get to the party and can't leave. So you know, we Jamaicans, you know, once it is, we can't go anywhere.
You just keep it
on. So we have got a party.
And that's going to affect it again.
No, but look,
that was ridiculous. That's crazy.
Them turn the 1 lane now 4 lane. No, them something here.
Anyway, we can move on from this, because I just hope everybody who missed the flight yesterday got on.
Well, what I'm hoping is just that Sans, because I don't want anybody to like cut out the party. It's a good party, just just regulate the traffic.
Or don't keep it there, just go wherever it was before. Now, lots of celebrities were on the rock celebrating the holiday season in Jamaica, such as R&B singer Justine Skye, that's the purple here, nice looking girl. Naomi Campbell, Grace Jones, they were here they were seen at Chris Blackwell's GoldenEye New Year's Eve party. So that's kind of
R&B singer. R&B singer Brian McKnight got married for the second time to his girlfriend, Leilani Malia. Oh, she's not here up yet. Yeah, on New Year's Eve. So congrats to the happy couple.
All right. No, kind of, we have to mix it up a little. So kind of going on a little bad news. No, Montego Bay. Me even stumble because every time I talk about Montego Bay, something to do with
St. James.
Yeah, St. James. No, with an estimated population of 180,000 people, last year recorded more murders than the United States city of New York, which is home to like 8.5 million people. Yeah. And the New York Daily News reported that 290 murders across the city in 2017 is the lowest in 70 years, and kind of 45 years fewer than last year. But by comparison, as in comparing that with St. James, we saw a record 332 murders last year, and this is 67 more murders than were reported in 2016. Overall, Jamaica recorded close to 1,570 murders last year, an increase of over 20% when compared with the 1,350 we had in 2016.
That's depressing.
And you know what I don't like? You see, every time we're closing off the year, we normally talk about, hopefully, we're being hopeful for the next year to say, all right, then, let us see. Let us try to reduce the murder. Because it's inevitable. It's at that stage now where it's kind of like, all right, then, how much people are going to dead this year? And it should never be like that.
It should never be. It should
never be like that. But,
hey, St. James, Jamaica on a whole, just make us so can, so can work out.
Yeah, man, because I just don't like that aspect of it.
Sizzler can get Sizzler in charge of national security. In August last year, remember there was no murder.
You know me get very passionate when you come on to that, because that's where me come from. And we had 0 murder in 2016, and then last year they messed it
hashtag
up. Sizzler
last year. Sizzler hashtag Bobo rollout.
Yeah, man. And we had 0, and I hope for 2018 people in August because we've been going out. We are going good in like nobody. First of all, everybody at work, people at work. Yeah. Nobody, not students, people are taking students because one little business down there, you rent out your house and whatever. And it's a profitable venture, and I just feel like some people still have this stigma attached to Augustown, like it's still a bad place. 0 murder in 2016, and we're going to have 0 murder in 2018, just to let you know. Yeah, man.
Okay, go on, talk. Big up yourself. Go on.
All right. Mariah Carey. Now, if you guys were following up with Mariah Carey's performance last year at the...
Which where? Where? Here?
Not here. No, man. She was a hot mess. Here.
I remember last year.
Freezing.
I remember in Jamaica. I remember the Jamaican performance.
Was it good?
Write us back a check.
Well,
give us back our money.
Well, she should have written them back a check last year as well. Right in Times Square, she performed at the New Year's Eve event, the ball drop and whatever. By the way, I want to go there, and everybody want me to talk to say, nope, nope. No, she did a really bad job. We have some footage, yeah. Let's pull up this.
What happened a while ago?
Happy New Year. I just want to take a sip of tea if they'll let me. They told me there would be tea. Oh, it's a disaster. Okay, well, we'll just have to rough it. I'm going to be just like everybody else with no hot tea. But we're going to try and do this one for you because I just want to show my appreciation for everyone that speaks out for justice and tries to make the world a better place, a more united planet. You're the true heroes.
No, the controversy around this was that last year's performance was really bad, and this year she kind of stepped it up a little. I'm not sure if that was a step up.
She get bad.
And homegirl asked for a cup of tea because she's the biggest diva in music.
Not a cup of tea?
Yeah, man, she wants a cup of tea in the middle of her performance.
Minty?
She probably have gas.
Minty? Bust the gas? 2 tough crackers.
Man, I know it would be funny if somebody literally walk out with a cup of tea. But the thing with boy Mariah Carey, she's an interesting one. But let me tell you something. You see all of this, you just want to make sure you're collecting your coins because I'm sure that is 2 paychecks she get. The first one we should mess up, and the second one we should do a while ago.
Listen, I still have one thing to say. Write us back a check. Give us back the money. If you don't want to go for it, I will just... Mariah, I have your tea. Want me check? Come on now.
No, of course. It's a new year and everybody still look forward to them daytime shout-out. So I have a few here. Daytime shout-out to Christine Forbes. My friend Soyuni, I don't know why Soyuni want a daytime shout out and shut up on TV like every day. Daytime
Soyuni
shout out
Phillips?
to my friend. Yeah, man, she's same one. Daytime shout out to Abba Sykes, my friend from high school. About high school from UA.
Well, listen
Special
to
watch
me.
today.
Since you, I just bigging up B and Cass, my mom and dad.
Nobody else?
Joel extra though. We could talk about some other things before you
Yeah.
shout out.
No, enough time. Before Buzz up, I have something to show you, and I want to see if this is going to be, if your reaction to this would be the same. I don't know what, but let's pull it up. Oh my God. I know it's in the afternoon. And we might have, you know,
I know.
about
And one thing about
but we have to
she
get
did that
the-
you know. Chef go lend me. Lend me. I wheel it. Like, yeah.
Hold on, wait. First of all, what happened now? I got
Once you check out our hair still, I'm gonna check one day. I'm gonna, are you still a miss? Because if you just switch it up, so no, let me hear. Let me
You
hear.
like it's a carnival song I play, you know, you have your kerchief and you just, you know, you take it out there and that. She literally take off from
Me
wig.
buy her something for drink. I have buying her something to drink.
Well,
I have buying her something.
all right, that was interesting. So that's how we are buzzing for you so far. As I said before, this is our first show
Joel,
for 2018.
Joel, hold on, Joel. All I'm saying,
You see the panel
where
video?
where the things from foreign.
All right, we'll talk about that after the break.
Where the things from foreign.
Daytime Live will be right back.
Foreign.